Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are at Merlin Regalia, which is located in Tangra, Kolkata. So friends, this is the back gate of the project, and here is the main gate of Merlin Regalia. This is the Convent Lane Road, and this way is going to Beliaghata main road. And this flyover is leading to Dharmtala Esplanade CIT Road. It is a residential development of Merlin Group. This project is ideally located in the heart of bustling central Kolkata. The project is having two towers, one with 13 floors and other with 5 floors. Now you can see the project is currently under construction stage and the possession will be available by December 2019. This project will have a peripheral landscape and an exclusive rooftop swimming pool. The project is spread over 32 cottah of land and offers spacious and skillfully designed, fully air-conditioned 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments for the residents. Merlin Regalia is just a stone's throw distance from Park Street, which is one of the major commercial and entertainment hubs of the city. Shopping malls, multi-cuisine restaurants, nightlife experience, schools, healthcare facilities and entertainment zones all are at close proximity to this project. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.